My name is Travis Barnes. I'm a plant operator for Maymead Materials Company. I oversee the daily operation of the plant. A typical day at the asphalt plant starts around 6 a.m. We'll come in. We typically do a brief walkthrough of the plant, kind of a pre-shift, just make sure everything is good. And we'll just kind of go through everything. Usually around 7, the road crews will call, or I'll call them and see if they're ready. They'll give us the green light to go ahead and fire the plant up. So when we get the plant started up and everything's heated up, we hit start mix and the ag bins start feeding onto the collector belts and feeding into the drum. The wrap bin comes on, it starts feeding into the drum. And once everything hits a good temperature, we add the liquid to the drum, and then the drum basically just mixes everything up, sends it up the silo, or up the drag into the silo, and we load it out on the customer trucks. So typically there's 3 of us at a plant. You'll have the operator, your loader operator, and you'll have a plant assistant out on the ground, kind of monitoring everything as you're running during the day. Depending on the mix, like a 9.5C loader operator is using 4 piles he's loading from, and he has to keep those ag bins loaded all throughout the day, especially if it's a hard, consistent run. He's in a hard, consistent run, so it can be a pretty busy job at times. With 10 asphalt plants, we not only supply our road crews, we also have private customers, a lot of residential that come in needing tonnage, and so we have to factor all that in. We're in constant communication with those folks also during the day, especially if it's a bigger job that a private customer is doing. I have to factor all that in with our road crews, and we try to keep everybody moving.